Do you usually eat lunch alone? Do you usually eat lunch alone?
Not all the time. Not all the time.
What would you like to eat? What would you like to eat?
I'd like to eat chicken. I'd like to eat chicken.
How does it taste? How does it taste?
It's delicious. It's delicious.
What would you like to take as a dessert? What would you like to take as a dessert?
I'd like to take chocolate cake. I'd like to take chocolate cake.
Do you like spicy food? Do you like spicy food?
No, I don't like spicy food. No, I don't like spicy food.
What is your favorite type of seafood? What is your favorite type of seafood?
I like shrimp. I like shrimp.
How many cups of coffee do you drink per day? How many cups of coffee do you drink per day?
I drink 2 cups of coffee per day. I drink 2 cups of coffee per day.
How much water do you drink daily? How much water do you drink daily?
I drink 2 liters of water daily. I drink 2 liters of water daily.
Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee? Which one do you prefer, tea or coffee?
Well, I prefer neither. Well, I prefer neither.
Can I pay by credit card? Can I pay by credit card?
Sorry, we only take cash. Sorry, we only take cash.
Can you cook? Can you cook?
Yes, I can cook. Yes, I can cook.
Where did you go on vacation? Where did you go on vacation?
I went to Hawaii for vacation. I went to Hawaii for vacation.
Where can I find the restroom? Where can I find the restroom?
The restroom is on the right. The restroom is on the right.
Did you buy your house? Did you buy your house?
No, I'm renting it. No, I'm renting it.
When did you buy your house? When did you buy your house?
I bought it last year. I bought it last year.
Are you new here? Are you new here?
Not at all, I have lived here since childhood. Not at all, I have lived here since childhood.
How long have you lived in this city? How long have you lived in this city?
I have lived in this city for 5 years. I have lived in this city for 5 years.
Do you prefer city life or country life? Do you prefer city life or country life?
I prefer city life. I prefer city life.
How far is the airport from your house? How far is the airport from your house?
The airport is 20 miles away. The airport is 20 miles away.
How do you get to work? How do you get to work?
I take the bus. I take the bus.
Do you know Alex? Do you know Alex?
Yes, we're friends since our childhood. Yes, we're friends since our childhood.
Is there a bank near here? Is there a bank near here?
Yes, there is a bank nearby. Yes, there is a bank nearby.
Can I speak to Alex, please? Can I speak to Alex, please?
I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment. I'm sorry, he is not here at the moment.
Do you have an appointment? Do you have an appointment?
Yes, I have one at 11 a.m. Yes, I have one at 11 a.m.
When will he be back? When will he be back?
He will be back in 30 minutes. He will be back in 30 minutes.
Excuse me, what did you say? Excuse me, what did you say?
I said, I would get back to you. I said, I would get back to you.
Is there anything else I can do for you? Is there anything else I can do for you?
No, thank you for your time. No, thank you for your time.
Anything else? Anything else?
Nothing else, please. Nothing else, please.
May I ask you something? May I ask you something?
Yes, what is your question? Yes, what is your question?
What happened to you? What happened to you?
I had an accident. I had an accident.
How was your day? How was your day?
It was perfect. It was perfect.
Where can I park? Where can I park?
You can park anywhere. You can park anywhere.
Are these books yours? Are these books yours?
Yes, there are mine. Yes, there are mine.
Why do you like this book? Why do you like this book?
It has an interesting plot. It has an interesting plot.
Why do you want to learn English? Why do you want to learn English?
I want to travel and communicate with people. I want to travel and communicate with people.
Whose book is on the table? Whose book is on the table?
It's my sister's book. It's my sister's book.
Whose phone is ringing? Whose phone is ringing?
It's mine. It's mine.
How do you spend your evenings? How do you spend your evenings?
I spend them reading books. I spend them reading books.
What do you do when you have free time? What do you do when you have free time?
I love to read and listen to music. I love to read and listen to music.
Do you enjoy gardening? Do you enjoy gardening?
Yes, I find gardening relaxing. Yes, I find gardening relaxing.
Are you a morning person or a night owl? Are you a morning person or a night owl?
I am more of a night owl. I am more of a night owl. Thanks for watching.